This program is brought to you by Rise, the empowering masterpiece by Dr. Saran Heron, available now on Amazon. The program is also brought to you by Lennox Bennett Math Tutoring Services, catering to students at all levels with special emphasis on PEP and CXC prep. Why sometimes me sit down and me look back and me remember how Christmas time used to nice and how time used to sweet. Time no nice again, you know. One time people couldn't guard them bed and left them door open. If me have a little bumper thing and you have a little bumper thing, me give you a piece of your little bumper, you give me back piece of your little bump. Eh? Now everybody is all of self and none of thee. Every man for themself, every tub sit down on their own behind. But Lord, it is so nice to just sit down and look back on the memories of old Jamaica. My God, and when the evening time come, you know, and a time for you done the ramping, and you go in, you know, you go wash off yourself, and the other one come and give you a little water in a bad pan, and you come now. Ball pan papa shoulder fi wash foot, brush bristle flicky carbolic soap, done yam dippy soup when mama cook, the fowl them go roast frog start croak, brown dust start stretch cross evening sky, penny wally or firefly. We carrying the lampshade and the pee pan, oh Lord, and oh yes, so we are come from. Then we go in, oh brother, in a house. We go in a house, darkness come down. The transistor radio she talk about dopey and wrinkle fi fun. But the Bible is bedtime story. Maturity out of the thermos. We drink it and eat pudding crust. We say we live prayers and turn down the lamp, oh Lord. And oh yes, where we are come from. Then now you know. Then the time that after you done say your prayers, you have to call everybody in the house by name and tell them good night, you know. Good night, mama. Good night, papa. Good night, brother so and so. Good night, sister. You have to tell everybody, you know. Call each one by name and say good night. Then usher we self on to sleep. Mosquito a singer we ears wall. Time hot but we have to draw sheet. Then in the hours of night, you got start to put up a fight. Ma jump out or sleep and light the pilly lamp, oh Lord. Where this crisis come from. Me did I tell you always yam. Bring Molly Gripe Fluxy complain. No look on the time but after one. You got out fi kill you with pain. We turn the latch bust through the door. Take out say we non yam no more. Run the crockle lizard lick the toilet palm. Oh Lord, how so much roach come from? Then now you no have no toilet tissue like a in this time. So you have to use like your newspaper, or sometimes you get the little soft leaf bush then. If you got bush. But man never used to look when we little girl picking going and no bush, so we always have to go toilet, but then boy we have to go hill. Wipe Willie Bam Bam with newspaper, or crush a wet brown paper bag. The toilet sit dark like a midnight. Now complain for that's all we have. Them the time the mama card in the spiritual. So when you in a toilet there do your business, you know want to hear why it happen out a door there, you know. Out a door mama start rebuke. Walk away from here you liberate. Me ask her who and she said no mas done. Him dead gone, where him dopey come from. Them the time that when you come out a toilet, the moonlight pretty, bright. We are look up in here now, so every look you look up your dopey, you say, this here banana shedder, that the papa tree shedder, that the soursop tree shedder, and a pure dopey, you say nothing, no go so you know. But you come out and wash your hand and go back in the house, go back to your bed, easy as start. Oh Lord. As long as we live, we not go see them the time again, you know. Oh, blessed Redeemer. Water out a drum and wash we hand. Moon in the night sky, this a glow. Spring from the mattress, joke your bam bam. Before you know it, cock start crow. Wake up and take out the chimney. Ma wake up long time, draw coffee. Chew stick and wash face in the basin pan, oh Lord. I know yes where we are come from. Oh Lord. I know yes where we are come from. Oh God. Merry Christmas, everybody. Me girly dog. Whoa, Heavenly Father. Oh God, Clifford.
Alright,
Clifford. Muscle contract in the foot. Muscle contract in the foot, Clifford. Muscle contract in the foot, Clifford. My almighty to the Lord. Oh God.
Oh, Clifford.
Get the alcohol and sappy. Clifford. Sappy. Sap him. Whoa. Blessed Redeemer.
This program is brought to you by Rise, the empowering masterpiece by Dr. Saran Heron, available now on Amazon. In this inspiring book, Dr. Heron shares insights and motivation to inspire you to rise above any challenges life throws your way. Unleash your full potential and triumph over adversity with Rise. Grab your copy of Rise by Dr. Saran Heron on Amazon today and embark on a journey of transformation like never before. The program is also brought to you by Lennox Bennett Math Tutoring Services, catering to students at all levels with special emphasis on PEP and CXC Prep. From engaging classes on Zoom to free lessons via YouTube and TikTok, Lennox Bennett Math Tutoring makes learning math a fulfilling experience. Take the leap towards academic excellence. Follow Lennox Bennett Math Tutor on social media, subscribe to his YouTube channel, and be on the lookout for his upcoming website and his Math PEP workbook. Call 876-549-2161 to embark on a journey of math mastery. Indulge in the allure of sophistication with Chris Lifestyle, where bold statements meet exquisite elegance. Elevate your style with their chic collection of earrings and necklaces, meticulously handcrafted to accentuate your unique personality. Unleash your inner fashionista and make every accessory count. Chris Lifestyle on Instagram, where fashion is a statement, not just an accessory. Step into the heartbeat of the Jamaican culture at mpgproductions.com, your ultimate Jamaican culture hub. I invite you to tune into MPG TV for cultural content. Rock the essence of Jamaica with our unique merchandise featuring profound Jamaican proverbs. Take advantage of our Treasure Not Trash community exchange program, where generosity meets sustainability and where you have the opportunity to donate to support the perpetuation of the Jamaican culture and our community service. mpgproductions.com, a website by Miss Pearly Grandson for the culture.